everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting in store for all of you makeup enthusiasts out there. I recently went on a luxury makeup shopping spree at Neiman Marcus, and I'm here to share this luxury makeup haul with you today. So get ready to be mesmerized by some stunning new makeup products that I've picked up. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. To start off our luxury makeup haul, I couldn't resist indulging in this new beauty discovery alert. And I'm beyond excited to share with you this latest beauty obsession. It's the Creme La Mer setting spray. This setting spray is said to be like no other because it is infused with the legendary Creme La Mer skincare ingredients, the Miracle Broth. It not only sets your makeup flawlessly, but it also nourishes and hydrates your skin throughout the day. So talk about a win-win situation. This setting spray is an ultra-fine mist that melts into your skin, creating a weightless and natural finish. It locks in your makeup for hours pretty much, ensuring that it stays fresh and vibrant no matter what the day brings. And that's not all. This setting spray is also said to provide an extra boost in hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's like a mini spa session in a bottle. It has no scent, so that's always a plus as well. Whether you're attending a special event or heading to the office or simply running errands, this setting spray is your secret weapon for a flawless, long-lasting makeup finish. Say goodbye to touch-ups and hello to feeling more confident all day long knowing that you have these incredible ingredients on your skin. So if you're ready to take your makeup setting spray game to the next level, I would definitely give the Creme La Mer setting spray a try. I'll have it linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. So moving on to eyeshadow palettes, I couldn't resist adding a new luxurious option to my collection. It's the Chanel 2024 Winter Makeup Collection eyeshadow palette. Get ready to embrace the enchanting beauty of the winter season with this breathtaking Chanel eyeshadow palette. It's inspired by snowflakes and mesmerizing winter landscapes. This collection is a true testament to Chanel's timeless elegance and innovation. From the stunning eyeshadow palettes to the luxurious new lip balms in the collection, every product is designed to create breathtaking winter-inspired looks. The star of the collection is this limited edition eyeshadow palette. It has a harmonious blend of iridescent and plum shades, so it will allow you to create a lot of different versatile looks, from soft and romantic to bold and glamorous. You can really let your creativity go wild. This palette will give you fallout though, so do be careful. I would do my eyes before my face because this shade here definitely will give you some fallout. And then there is a gorgeous new lip balm in this collection. There's several actually, but the shade that I got here is called 938 Keep Cool. I'm actually wearing it right now. And this lip balm is so stunning. It is tinted, has buildable coverage, and it is soothing on the lips. And it has a beautiful velvety formula that glides over your lips, and it gives you long-lasting comfort. So I picked up the Chanel. This is their loose powder. And this powder is definitely essential for creating a very smooth, natural-looking complexion. It is a lightweight, finely milled powder designed to set your makeup, control shine, and provide a smooth, velvety finish. It blends effortlessly into your skin, blurring imperfection, minimizing the appearance of pores. I got shade 12, which is the lightest shade from this powder. So it will even out your skin tone and provide a seamless finish, whether you have fair, medium, or deep skin, though they do have different shades, and this powder will definitely enhance your natural beauty and give you a radiant, airbrushed look. It is enriched with light reflecting pigments that add a subtle luminosity to the skin, giving a healthy and radiant glow. It also has a long-lasting formula that keeps your makeup in place throughout the day, ensuring a fresh and flawless look from morning to night. I'm wearing everything that I was speaking about today. I'm wearing the powder right now, the eyeshadow, everything, so you can get an idea. Now, to use this, you simply take a large fluffy brush or the velour poof, and you can take the brush and dust it over your face, and the silky texture of the powder glides on so effortlessly and feels weightless on your skin. So you have a comfortable and natural finish. If you want a more glam look though, I would definitely use the poof. So this is great whether you're going for an everyday look or a full glam makeup. This Chanel powder, the loose powder, is a beauty essential that will definitely elevate your makeup routine. So you're going to get the quality that Chanel's known for and achieve a flawless complexion with a touch of radiance. Then beauties, I picked up the new Gucci Gloss and Lip Plumper that April had told me about. This gloss delivers a subtle color with glass-like shine and up to 24 hours of comforting hydration. It's definitely long wearing and it is plumping. It doesn't burn. And it does have botanical plumping agents. It visibly will increase your volume by 22%. It smooths your lips and adds shine, and this tinted lip gloss imparts a delicate wash of color. It does come in a variety of different shades and retails for $42. And it's formulated with lip-loving ingredients that are said to visibly plump. And it is a pretty weightless formula. It gives your lips an instantly fuller and smoother look without drying them out. And the case is adorned with gold stars and the Gucci lettering capturing the magic of the starlight. It's absolutely beautiful. It's also said to help increase the shine on your lips. Of course, with the gloss, it will give you that shine. And many people definitely have said that they have seen an enhancement in their lip volume. So then I picked up this Lancome lip liner in Natural Mauve. This is a smudge-resistant lip pencil that blends effortlessly onto your lips and prevents feathering and bleeding. It does retail for $28 at Macy's, and it's actually 2 tools in 1. It's very precise, creamy, waterproof pencil, and it does have a brush on one end and then the lip liner on the other, which is so convenient and so great. And it's definitely long lasting. I have felt that also that it is smudge resistant, and it stays on your lip line so it doesn't bleed out onto your face. And I also picked up this lipstick from Lancome. This is the 250 Tender Mirage, I believe it's called. This is such a gorgeous shade. It has up to 18-hour wear, they say, and it's a comfy wear. It's not drying whatsoever. It does retail for $35, and I picked this up at Macy's. This creamy lip product is formulated with 30% nourishing rose balms and moisturizing hyaluronic acid and cold pressed oil. It is very long lasting, feels so comfy and weightless on your lips, and the shade in itself is so beautiful. If you have a complexion like mine, it's definitely comfortable on your lips, and there are many more luxurious shades to choose from. It has a creamy texture which glides over your lips. It is smudge resistant. It definitely does feel smudge resistant. I got this at Macy's. Macy's has so many unbelievable coupons. I actually got this free at Macy's, so I wound up getting over $100 at Christmas time in free coupons. So I wound up getting this and the lip liner free. But I would definitely, if you're going to order, if you go in store, it seems like there's no stock really of the Lancome products. So I would definitely order these online because I haven't been able to find any lip liners or lipstick in store from Lancome at Macy's or Ulta really. So beauties, I'm also super excited because at Neiman Marcus, they gave me so many great samples. So I'm really excited. And they also gave me a gift. So I'm really excited to see what this La Mer gift is. So let's just go ahead and unbox it and see. Here is this, let's see, a sample of the La Mer moisturizing cream, the soft moisturizing cream. And then here is the moisturizing cool gel cream. And then here is a traditional creme la mer. This is a small size sample, but these last so long. These last so long, it's crazy. If you're like me, because I only use a little bit, and then I emulsify it and put it under my eyes, and where I'm maybe here, you know, where I might be wrinkling, I just put it on the wrinkles. Let's put it that way, wherever I don't want to wrinkle. And and it lasts forever. So you just take a small amount, you emulsify it in your hand, and then tap it on. And unless you have really dry skin, then of course you probably would want to put it all over. Then they also were good enough to give me at Chanel, they gave me this Chanel Chance fragrance, and then a Chanel Noir Allure mascara sample. And then here, oh, here's another one, Coco Mademoiselle sample. So nice. And then here is another sample from La Mer. This is the treatment lotion. This is the lotion that I never want to be without. This is that one product, if you've seen my channel, I am just crazy for this product. I've purchased like 3 bottles already. I've seen the hugest difference in my skin since I've started using that. And it's just, after I wash my face, you just pour some in your hand, tap it on, and the results are unbelievable. It truly is. So there's just a few more things in here. I think these are all from La Mer. She was so wonderful, the SA, and she just gave me so many samples. So yeah, she gave me the firming serum. Here, I think I did have that though. It really did work, but the bottle was very small. So I'm not sure if I would purchase that again because I went through it very fast. And then here's another lifting serum. and another firming serum, and treatment lotion, and treatment lotion, and more of these little size samples. Wow, she was amazing. That was so nice of her. And she had to go in the back to get them, so she was really, you know, she really went out of her way for me. So then here is, oh, I've never tried this. This is called the Renewal Oil. So I can't wait to try this because I love using a face oil, especially at night. And then here is a different size, maybe this is a larger sample of the Lifting Firming Serum from La Mer. And then here is another, this is another Chanel mascara sample. This one is Le Volume. And I think that's pretty much it for all of the samples that they gave me. That brings us to the end of our luxury makeup haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these amazing products that I've added to my luxury makeup collection. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll be doing more testing and reviewing of these products more in detail. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting makeup and beauty content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.